Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and look what I found on my stoop. I am so excited. I can't wait to flip the camera around for you. However, I do want to call attention to, I apologize about the lighting. My light broke and I'm waiting for Amazon to deliver my lighting package. But I have my coffee. I'm going to push through it. I promise I have a full eyebrow, even though it looks like I have half one. And I'm going to get close and personal so you guys can see the rendering and not have to worry about what you're seeing. So let's flip the camera around and let's take a look at what's in this box. Hey, well, I am super excited to show you this week's sneak peek from Diamond Art Club. You can already tell from this box that this is a round painting. I love this stamp. It's like a stamp of approval for rounds or squares. If it were a square, it would be a square seal. Yes, then they have the sticker down here. And then on the back, it shows you the how-to, what's in your kit, and their quality guarantee. And then they also have a scan if you want to buy your next diamond painting for 10% off. So I am super excited to dive into this from Heather Hitchman. This is Witta the owl. How cute and adorable is this owl? It is a 17-inch by 24-inch, which translates into a 42.6 centimeter by 60.8 centimeter. I'm going to put another picture right here for you so you can see it without the glare, and we are going to open this baby up. Isn't it so fun when you open your door and right outside the door is the Diamond Art Club box, that white box with the red writing, and you know you got a present. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so when you open up your box, you're going to get three things. You're going to get a toolkit. You're going to get your sticker. You can put your sticker on your storage. If you use storage, you can put it on the end of your box. If you store them horizontally, you can put it in your journal, whatever you want to do with your sticker. You're going to get your toolkit. Your toolkit is going to say on the back what's in it. The applicator, which stands for the diamond painting pen, the comfort grip, a heart-shaped wax container, craft tray, tray stopper, multi-placer ×2, cover minder, washi tape, and some Ziploc baggies. And then you're also going to get your diamond painting with Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Smile, and it's in the sealed plastic. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to use the white as our backdrop. This has the velvet patent back to it. So nice. I still remember the first time I opened Diamond Art Club, and I remember the video and just being like, oh, diamond painting asthma is real, because you hyperventilate your first one. Okay, so inside your diamond painting, you're going to get your sticker sheet, which has a half page Witta the Owl by Heather Hitchman. You can put your start date, your end date. You can also stick this on your storage as well. However, note to self, this is very hard to come off of storage containers, so I normally don't, but it's up to you. You could also just keep putting them on top of each other as you reuse. This shows it's round, the size, the SKU number. It says 29 different colors. Look at those rich colors. And it has 2 AB. So anything below 150 is going to be an AB color. So this has 100 and 106. Okay, so we're going to get more into this as we open up the drills. You also get a how-to. Thank you for your purchase. for those of you who are new to diamond painting, this is amazing. It shows you there's a VIP Facebook group. Definitely go check that out. There's also a how-to video as well as how-to instructions. All right, so we're going to open the kit, and then we're going to dive into the drills, and then we're going to flip the canvas over and look at the rendering and where some of those AB drills go. Okay, as it said, here is your plastic bags. Here is your tray with the stopper. Let's change it. There we go. Here is your pen. I really like this color. It's like a maroon or burgundy, and it has some sparkle in it. And then they've been matching the squishies with the pen, so that's pretty cool. And then you have a random washi tape. Here's the cute little strawberry cover minder. You've got your wax. And your two multi-placers. There is a 7 and a 4. Let's put this aside. I'm going to dig into the drills next. Again, this is Witta the by Heather Hitchman. Okay, and I like that they have Witta the right on here, so if you do store your paintings separate from your drills, you'll be able to find it. Crinkle, crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle, little star. Can you tell I have a 6-month-old? Yeah. Okay, so let's look at these colors. Now, this has a lot of 310 for the background. And then you're going to get into the 898, 938. You're going to get some of these beautiful browns. As you can see with the rounds, there's no trash. Okay, get that. You're starting to go into the golds. And some of the yellows. Ooh, I didn't see this. Okay. So this was hiding at the bottom. You guys may have caught that when I went through that K44. So here's some extra sparkle. So it's not the yellow, it's actually the gold. The yellow is the back that goes down like on the actual glue. But this is gold. So we're gonna see where that goes. Awesome. Okay. And then the other strip. Right here. So here's the 100. This is a pretty green baby. There. See these rich colors. Right. And then here's your greens. And then here's the other AB, which is 106. Okay, so let's see where some of these colors go. We're gonna flip it. Flip it good. Look at that. The rendering is so nice. What do you guys think? Look at that face. He's just like, yeah, I'm cute and I know it. Okay, so let's look. We're looking for the number 1s and the number 2s. No, we're not going the bathroom. Nope, nope, nope. That's not what we mean. We're not going through potty training. Okay, so it looks like the 2s are scattered through his face and in his eyes. Scattered here in that light color on his chest and in his wings. And then outlining the top of the book. And then the 1s are like right here, a little bit here. Looks like they are just in the green part to give it a little sparkle. Then we're gonna look for this little funky shape right here. What is that? Like a eye on an emoji, or I don't know. What would you call that? Anyway, let's see where that goes. Okay, so some of it's right here. Some of it's right here, which is just kind of some of that sparkle glow to give the ambiance. Bird. Let's see. Okay, so it's in here. It's throughout here. It's up here. So it's just to give this sparkle, like the glow around the owl. I'm looking. It's not, I thought it might be in his wings right here, but I think they left that for the ABs. So yeah, it's just in these glows that are surrounding him to be like, make him pop in the ambiance. That's what I see. Yep, down here too. And a few times through the book, because it's like these sparkles are coming down around him, right? So if you look at the picture, it's just kind of this glow around him, and then that's a feather, and that's a feather. There's a feather there. Yeah, so good job, Heather. I love your work. I love your work. So if you like owls, this also kind of is library to me. This is a little bit of Don't Shoot the Messenger, like a Harry Potter feel. Yeah, so check this out, definitely. Coming this Saturday. It is 9 a.m. See, I'm on Eastern, so I don't want to say Eastern. It's 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, or 12:30 Eastern, 9:30 Pacific. The reason why you get a half an hour early is if you are a Diamond or Ruby member, meaning that you've bought several Diamond Art Clubs and you are a professional shopper. You get 30 extra minutes. So yes, check out Witta the Owl. I can't wait to start. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.